Now, our last topic is plastics and environment. Before talking about what is the effect of plastics on environment, we can talk about biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradables are those materials that decompose easily by natural process that are known as biodegradable. Materials that cannot be decomposed easily by natural process are called non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable materials take years to decompose and can thus lead to environmental hazards if not disposed of properly. Now, the question is plastic, it is a non biodegradable or biodegradable? Yes, it is a non biodegradable material. Some of the harmful effects of plastics on the environmental are plastics that get dumped on land and buried in soil can prevent rainwater from seeping into the ground. Depredative plants in the area of water. Plastics thrown into water bodies block the flow of water and can harm aquatic organisms. When burnt plastic releases toxic fumes into the air, causing air pollution. This fume can cause various diseases if inhaled. Now, now the question is how to dispose the plastic. The best way to limit the harmful effect associated with plastic is to follow the principle of 3Rs. It means reduce, reuse, and recycle. Firstly, we talk about the reduce. We can reduce our use of plastic by using cloth or paper bag instead of polythene bag. Several states in India have banned the use of plastic shopping bags. The second is how to reuse it. We should reuse the plastic items we already have and thus avoid buying new ones. For example, we can reuse empty soft drink bottles as pots for house plants and reuse food container for storage. The third one is recycle. We can recycle plastic, especially thermoplastics, to make other useful products such as toys and decorative items. Scientists have also developed bioplastics or plastics like materials which are derived from renewable resources and are biodegradable. Thank you, children. Be safe and healthy at your home.